Hey guys, my name is Sandeep and I'm so excited to welcome you to my channel where I help developers to become profitable AI developers. And on this YouTube channel, I'll be posting the videos about latest AI models, tools, agents, full stack developments and everything else you need to build real world projects and start making money with AI. You are ready to turn AI skill into income, you come to the right place. I have spent hundreds of hours working with latest AI code generation tools, created full stack AI applications to automate the multiple processes. Long story short, I'll be sharing hands-on tutorials that can help you go from developer to full stack AI developers. Now, I am giving it all away so you can jumpstart your AI journey. Also, if you need any help turning your AI idea into reality, I would love to hop on a free strategy call. Click on the link description below and let's get you unstuck and moving forward.